Welcome back to my channel, guys. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga subscribers natin. At sa mga hindi pa, please subscribe now and don't forget to click the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa ating mga vlogs. For today, guys, gusto niyo na bang gumala? Or fill your bucket list of destinations? Well, ako din, guys, gusto ko nang gumala pero hindi natin magawa because pandemic crisis para ngayon. So, let's enjoy for now our memories, our moments with our family and by sharing our time and memories with them. That is why I'm sharing all the memories with you kasi pamilya ko na kayo. Let's keep on praying, guys, na mawala na ang COVID crisis para at least makagala na tayo and we do our travel vlogs. Today, guys, samahan nyo akong i-throwback ang mga memories ko with my travel buddies sa destination na tawag na Island of the Gods sa El Nido, Palawan. We arrived at the Puerto Princesa, Palawan Airport. No delays, safe and sound. Upon arriving, we take a little walk and having a chika-chika what we are going to do first. May mga tarps and ad posted around the area. And ang mga turista keep on talking and hearing from them about the slices of paradise are within our reach. Our focus on that day is to go on our first destination, the El Nido, Palawan. Getting there, guys, from Puerto Princesa Airport, we take a walk 2 minutes out of the airport to the street and flag down a 50 pesos tricycle to the bus terminal. May dalawang bus companies doon, guys, yung Cherry and Roro, that leaves the bus terminal each hour for a 6-hour ride to El Nido. Yung regular bus 280 at yung air-conditioned bus naman 380. Pero dahil malilate na kami, guys, we get a van shuttle for 400 pesos per pax at na-save namin yung oras namin going to El Nido trip. We arrive at 11:30 in the evening at the shuttle bus terminal, guys. So we walk towards the street and then nag-tricycle pa kami. So si kuya driver ng tricycle help us to look for a good beachfront cottages and resort para doon kami magstay. And hindi kami nabigo, guys, kasi we stay at Las Cabañas Beach Resort for a 1,500 pesos family room. The next day, guys, a great morning having our breakfast along the beach while waiting our boat operator and guide for the island tour. Si Kuya Ronald din kasi yung nag-arrange sa atin ng island hopping. So, kasi yun yung mga local, yun yung mga tinutulungan natin when it comes to tourism. We are all excited and can't wait much. We are all dressed up with our island hopping attire and all things packed up with phone and cameras and ready to capture the beauty of the island till we heard the announcement, guys, ng Coast Guard that a gale warning to the northern part of the island is issued due to the typhoon Marce, and all island tours was cancelled out. But instead of ruin our day and lock ourselves in crib doon sa Las Cabañas Beach Resort, we explore the El Nido via land tours. So we go hike up on the hill to the Bulalakaw Falls in the morning, and at the Nakpan Beach we take a cheap lunch. Then in the afternoon we walk till the end of the beach for spectacular views of the twin beaches. Then our driver takes us back to Las Cabañas. We took a little rest and save energy for a nightlife adventure in the island, guys. Kasi pera sa Boracay, meron din nightlife naman sa Palawan, sa El Nido. Bright lights along the coast inviting us. So we took a 20 minutes walk before reaching the town, guys. May night market, dampas, and bars. These are some attraction can be seen in the island. We crave for, syempre, seafoods. Kasi nasa island kami. So, island foodies, of course. Their best sellers, yung ilihaw na pusit, clams and salpicao. Yun yung masarap kasi fresh yung mga seafoods nila, then iluluto nila yon. Then after our dinner, we take our side trip with lots of street foods and fresh fruit juice prepared by our local kabaten from Angeles City. Before we end the night, syempre, each of us wishing that gale warning will be lifted and island tours will resume the next day. Same wish and pray as we go to bed. On the next day, si Kuya Ronald, tumawag siya. So, sir, ang sabi niya, sir, available na ang island tours. Pwede lang tour C and D. Kasi malakas pa nga nun doon. So, we prepare, pack all things, and very much excited. We eat our breakfast earlier, then Kuya Ronald availing travel agency tour packages. We make the deal with locals through Kuya Ronald to avail all the island tours. We got package for 7,000 pesos solo trip. So, sa amin lang yung bangka, guys. Wala kaming kasama. So, kaming 5 lang mga travel buddies ko. So, here it is, guys. The full-length video of our El Nido, Palawan. Guys, panoorin nyo to. So, ito yung trip ko sa Palawan. Make sure. Dagat. Yan. Medyo maalon pero okay lang kasi hindi naman siya sobrang alon. Tuloy pa rin yung tour. Dito kami ngayon sa Amos. Tapos hinihintay lang namin yung sasakyan namin bangka. Going to the island tour for A and for B. Hindi raw pwedeng puntahan yung island tour na city kung saan yung mga secret beach kasi masyadong malayo at natatapos lang ng bagyong Marce, pero it's okay. And so naglalakad ako sa baybay dagat, tapos yan, biglang nakita ko si kuya. So mag-video lang kung pwede na po ba yun sa tours natin yan.
Hindi, ako kapa.
Hindi, sa palagay nyo, after bagyo, okay na.
Oh.
Okay, si Kuya, tingnan nyo, galing pa siya ng, laon. Sige, Kuya, thank you! So, time check, it's 9 o'clock a.m. We're having island tour dito sa El Nido. So, yung makikita nyo, mga limestone na bundok. Tapos, mga bangka sa pantalan. Hintay lang namin yung aming bangka na sasakyan para sa tour namin na A and B, which is yung mga lagoons na pupuntahan, kaya yung mga hidden lagoons. So, sana mag-enjoy kami dito. Pero, as of now, maganda yung view. Sarap ng pagkain dito nila, at saka yung accommodations, ay mga tao dito sa El Nido. Sobrang babait nila. Tapos si Kuya, si Manong yung kasama namin.
Kuya Boyet po.
Oo, Kuya Boyet, yan. Siya ba yung maktero?
Hindi po, yung po yung captain natin yung
Si Captain. Pero si Kuya, ikaw siguro yung chef. Kasi siya lang yung namalengke para doon sa pagkain namin. Yan. Maalis na kami. Nandiyan na yung bangka. Mga kasama namin ngayon sa aming tour. Kuya Joren, Shen, Erika, Tot. Yan. Okay, tapos
Tara na, lakad na.
O yung pera ay itang kain.
ano pangalan mo, Kuya? Philip. Yan, si Kuya Philip. Yung
Tourism officer.
food namin dyan sa tour. Okay? Si Kuya, last last night pa namin kasama si Kuya sa tricycle driver ng El Nido, Palawan. The best ride. Saka tutulungan ka maghanap niya ng tulugan. So, ayan. Naglalakad na kami papunta sa aming bangka. Ayan. Hindi naman masyadong maalan yung dagat. Kung pwede pa. Hindi na kami sumakay ng kayak kasi okay naman. Hindi naman gaano malalim. Pwede ka namang maglakad. Parati na ano si Kuya sa paghatid dun sa kayak. Kuya, kaway ka, oh. Hello. Kasi Kuya naghatid ng bangka na ano sa mga kasamahan namin going dun sa sasakyan namin bangka. Oops. So, yan yung sasakyan namin bangka going to island for yan. Ay na ako So, 9:30 in the morning. Private bangka. Sa amin lang. Solo trip to. Kaya mag-enjoy lahat. Diba?
Kita pa lang kayo. Camera kayo. Mag-GoPro.
Diba? So, hintay lang. Bago, relax muna kami. Tapos, tinatanggal na ni Manong yung angkla. Nakikita niyo siya. Yun. Tinatanggal na niya para alis na kami dito sa Pantalan ng LD. Ayan. Pinapandang na niya yung aming update. Ayan. Sila Kuya, naglalakad sa baybay dagat. So, makikita nyo, very fine yung buhangin. Yeah! Nice talaga. And sobrang sarap, sobrang linaw ng tubig. El Nido, Palawan. First destination, Commando.
prepare na yung pagkain namin. Imagine, dito lang sa boat na to, iniluto lahat ng pagkain namin. Very, very nice. Yan, may mga inihaw. Fresh! Galing sa dagat, ha. Tapos, yung mga inihaw. Tapos, fresh fruits. Ang sarap. Ang sarap-sarap dito. Promise.
Sunday Island.
at 6 in the evening, umalis kami ng El Nido guys, going to Puerto Princesa para sa next destination namin guys. Saan? Subterranean River! Now as the underground river. I am much excited kasi nandito yung kabalin namin. And my childhood friend live now in Sabang. We arrive at Puerto Princesa around 11 o'clock in the evening. So we stay in a hotel near the Capitol building. On the next day guys, we took the first trip by shuttle van to Sabang and arrived exactly 8 a.m. at the Sabang port. Ate Lucy welcomed me and brought me where Lani selling her goods. They are my fellow kabalens dito sa Sasmuan. Now they are living in Sabang, Palawan. I saw both of them and asked where is Junjun, my childhood friend, and Ate Lucy said still in the island and advised me to wait him. So kasi si Junjun, siya yung boatman nagtutour sa mga turista going to Subterranean River. So isa siya sa may nagmamay-ari ng mga boat doon. So while waiting, I asked what are the fees and how much will prepare for our tour. Then she replied me, for the tour it's free. So free talaga. So Junjun will take us pero nagbayad kami ng environmental fee and the audio fee. So wow, talagang sobrang saya. I met my childhood friend and then nakalibre pa kami ng tours. It's a wow factor. Ang nakakatuwa guys, habang nagbabiyahe kami, habang naglalakad kami doon sa boardwalk, doon sa area, may isang unggoy or a monkey goes down from the tree and pick the plastic bag of a man standing before me. Sa harapan ko kinuha niya yung plastic bag and then pumanik siya ulit sa tall trees. And then, iniisa-isa niya kung ano yung laman. And then, nandoon yung iPhone ng lalaki. The iPhone shook it, then throw it in the water. So, natuwa lang kami kasi nakita namin yung monkey. Gusto niya lang pala yung skyflakes. After that incident, the dispatcher called us our number. So, nag-proceed na kami doon sa aming bangka. And that's really fun, no? Kasi may mga experience na ganon. Finally guys, we enter in the underground river and it was cold and dark inside, but our guide has a flashlight that lights stalagmites, stalactites formation towards our way. Sobrang ganda, kumikinang-kinang pa, kumikislap-kislap pag natatamaan siya ng ilaw ng flashlight guys. So ang ganda. A few minutes into the cave, we found ourselves complete darkness. Sobrang dilim. Ang natatanging ilaw lang namin guys, yung ilaw ng aming guide. Each boat has a volunteer that points the torch to whatever rock formation. Sobrang interesting guys kasi pag pinoint niya, makikita mo yung mga formation ng mga stalactites and stalagmites, may form siya ng tao, korteng animal, korteng may religious formation, images, ganyan. The rock formation and size arcade were quite impressive, guys. The rock formation took shape of fruits. Yun na nga, mayroon akong nakita parang fruits, parang tao, parang bagay na objects and anything na pag nakita mo, papasok sa iyong imagination and akala mo ikaw lang nag-i-imagine and lahat pala nakikita nila that the imagination it's the same as well ng imagination nila. I could not think of. I was most impressed with the cathedral, parang yung cathedral na nakita ko sa just like the shape of cathedral inside the cave, parang ganon. Tapos may face of Jesus from one of the rock formation. The tours were only allowed to go around 1.5 kilometer, guys. Gusto pa namin pumasok pa ng mas deeper pa doon, pero hindi na kami pinayagan. So doon nagtapos yung tour namin doon sa Subterranean River. Maraming salamat sa panonood at pagtangkilik ng mga videos natin dito sa Sonjay's channel. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe sa aking channel. And sa hindi pa, please subscribe now and don't forget to click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong vlogs. Yan guys, for now, let's stay with our family para maging safe tayo. We will heal as one. Ika nga ng tourism. So, hopefully guys, keep on praying na matapos na ang pandemic crisis and then everything gets back to normal para makapag-travel plans na tayo. So, hanggang sa muli guys, keep safe,